One Frog Sang by Shirley, Parenteau, illustrated by Cynthia Jabbar. All the frogs hunkered low while spring rain stormed by. Then, when the night became still, one big frog leaped onto a high garden wall, sucked in air, and blew out a song. Ka-blu-urp, ka-blu-urp. Two tiny frogs joined in from a window pane, shrieking preep, preep, in voices as loud as a crowd. Three young frogs sang ribbit, ribbit, from a puddle in the middle of a path. Four spotted frogs sang chirp, chirp, from a tree trunk hugging the bark. Five frogs sang rabbit, rabbit, from a bird bath where a mirror moon swam. Six green frogs chorused, read it, read it, read it, from the mossy walls inside a wishing well. Seven frogs sang deep, blurp, blurp, from the side of a road where it curved out of sight. Eight bullfrogs boomed, whoomp, 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 from water running dark beneath the bridge. Nine green frogs puffed out their throats to sing read it, like bumps on a log. 10 frogs trilled peep, 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 from lily pads shining in the pool. Grunts and croaks, chirps and ribbits, low and deep, high and shrill, all the frogs sang for love until one car splashed down the wet street, wheels slushing along the pavement. Then 10 frogs stopped peeping from the lily pads. 9 frogs ka-blu-urped off the floating log. 8 frogs peeked from the dark beneath the bridge. 7 frogs plunged into the high grass without a rustle to show where they hid. 6 frogs hushed inside the mossy wishing well. 5 frogs crouched like stones on the bottom of the bird bath. 4 frogs pretended to be part of the bark on the tree. 3 frogs huddled in the puddle on the path. 2 frogs slipped down the glassy window pane. 1 frog sprang from the high garden wall. The engine rumble faded. Only the wind made a sound, whispering across the grass. The moon wandered down on the stillness until one frog leaped onto the high garden wall and began to sing Ka-blu-urp, ka-blu-urp. The end.